How to edit or delete listings on Vinted. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can edit or delete listings on Vinted. So if you want to learn how to do this, you've come to the right place and sure you watch to the end. The first step is to log in into your Vinted account, just like I've done here. And so once you've done that, the next step is to move to the top right corner where you can see some icons such as your inbox, your notifications, your favorite icon, and then your profile icon. Once you can see that, just select it. So after selecting your profile icon, you'll see some options like profile, settings, personalization, balance, etc. Once you can see all of these, ensure you select profile. So after selecting profile, you'll be taken to your profiles page where you'd see your username, you'll see details about yourself. Then all you need to do is to scroll down to the part where you would see your listings. So for me, I have not listed any item. That is why this page is empty. But for you, you would see all of your items here. So once you can see this, the next step would be for you to select the item that you would like to edit or delete. So by selecting the item, just below the item, you'll see some options. You'll see the edit option, which is represented by the pencil icon. You see the delete icon, which is represented by the trash icon. So if you want to delete the item, just click on delete. And then if you want to edit the item, click on the pencil icon and you'll be taken to the editing page where you can add or remove whatever that you want to add to. Do you get? So that is it. This is how you can edit or delete listings on Vinted. It's very simple. Ensure you try it out. Thanks for watching and have a good day.